Now we're going to be playing C, D sharp, D, and F. You'll also see D sharp as E flat. Okay, it's the same chord, so just watch out for that. Now, this shape rooting from the A string. Now that goes round 3 times, and then randomly it then shifts to a next sequence of bar chords. Can't get the stick out, it's been hanging round for days. Now that is A minor, then to G sharp, or you might see that as A flat in this case, and then we're going to go to E flat, and then we're going to go to F. Now I know this is a bit more of an advanced song, but I really want you to try and tackle this tutorial like I'm doing it with the bar chords. I know I do it a lot where we'll be like, you know, it goes C sharp minor to A, but I'll tell you what, whack a capo on 4 and we'll play A minor, C and G. Well, we're being a little bit more brave today, so I want you to really try and stick with me with these bar chords and this great Radiohead song, okay? So that's gone, can't get the stick out, it's been hanging around for days. Then we go again, comes like a comet, sucker for you and at your friends. Now, that then goes E flat to B flat. Okay, if you are interested in a free training video on bar chords, just hit me a WhatsApp below, and all you have to do is put the word bar, and I will WhatsApp you some free training videos on bar chords if you're struggling. Just do that, okay? You can also ask about my coaching if you need some extra one-to-one help. Now, the part then, once it goes, you've then got the bit that goes, once I get to you, and did you ever feel a holy cow? You do it. Then you're into your chorus, okay? So you've got this rundown, A minor to G sharp, to G, to F sharp, and then to F. Again, with Radiohead, I have simplified this because they tend to move about, so I've just tried to keep it a little more basic. Now, after that rundown, that's your chorus, which is do it to yourself, you do. And that's what really hurts. Now that is C to F sharp and then to F. Although I have seen it to F sharp 7, which again just really gives it that edge. I mean, hitting a C to an F sharp anyway, it's like a bit odd. It's kind of spooky, but you know, that is Radiohead for you. But I would try that F sharp 7. I think it works really well. So you do it to yourself, you do. That's what really hurts. You do it to yourself, you do. You and no one else, you do it to yourself. Then we goes back to that part. Okay, so this is really, really going to keep you busy. And while you're busy, please hit subscribe. I'd love you forever. Now, I know these bar chords are a little tricky, but I really want you to try it. So if we just recap, C, D sharp, D, F, that's your intro. Then your verse, A minor, G sharp, E flat to F, and then A minor, G sharp, E flat to B flat. Okay, and then you got this is your chorus. Now, yes, a lot to go up, okay, but I really want you to give that a good crack. And if you are still watching this video on the bends, tell me below what your favourite song is off that album and why. Remember, please subscribe if you can, and if you want some extra help, I've got courses, training videos and personal coaching. All the links are below. I promise I can turn you into a better guitar player.